Today we'll study about the three phase. One is the three phase, okay, and one is single phase. Three phase means we are having three wires having different supply, means all the three wires carrying different current, okay. One wire starts from the zero as the normal, one wire starts from the positive side like this, and one wire starts from the negative side like this, okay. So it is differentiated by the color. One wire is yellow. We can consider it as a Y. Yellow is denoted by the Y. One wire is R and one wire is B. B stands for the blue. Okay. So we are having three phase means we are having three wires. Simply we are having three wires and all the three wires carrying current. They can carry equal current also, they can carry different current, that depends on the value they have given in the question. Now what is single phase? Single phase is we are having only single wire having current. Understood? In the single wire you have studied that it starts from what? 0 degree. It changes its cycle at 180 degree and it completes its cycle at 360 degree. It goes maximum up to at 90 degree and from the negative side it goes maximum at 270 degree. So this is for the single phase and this is for the three phase. Single phase, single wire have carrying current. Three phase means three wire carrying currents. Understood? Now, where we are using single phase, now the question is at our home. Okay, at our home we are using single phase supply because we need single phase wire, single wire only. Like suppose you know that this is a kind of socket at our home, right? This is a kind of socket. So this hole is for grounding or we can say it for earthing. This hole is for phase, okay, and this hole is for neutral. What is neutral? From phase, current is going inside into the socket, and from the neutral, current is coming back. Suppose you have connected a charger. You know, na, where a phone charger, you have connected a phone charger like this. So from this phase wire, current is entering because we carry current in the phase wire only. From the neutral, it will be back. Then only your circuit will be completed. If there is no neutral, then in that case, in a single phase, no circuit will be completed. So for flow of current, circuit completion is necessary, right? Here phase represents the red color and neutral represents for the black color. But where we are using three phase, this is I told you for the single phase we are using at our home. But now the question is where we are using three phase supply. Three phase supply we using at industry because we are running three phase load, three phase motor which require three wires you can say. And from the government side, like suppose this is the government, okay, government is giving us three wires only. From the transformer it is further distributed to different wires. Like this is one red wire goes to different society, then Y wire goes to different society and B wire goes to different society. Okay, at your hostel also you are getting three phase supply only. So like your hostel means you are getting three wire. One wire can be connected to your first floor, another wire can be connected to the second floor, and another wire can be connected to the third floor. Understood? Now what is the difference between the single phase and the three phase? Now for the three phase, I told you there are three wires. All the three wires are how much degree displaced, means how much is the phase difference between all the three wires, that is 120 degree. Like this is suppose R wire, this is suppose Y wire, this is suppose B wire. So the angle difference between, hello. Okay, okay, okay. In we for the three phase supply, we are having three wires. One is R, and one is Y, and one is B. Okay, so the angle difference between R and Y is 120 degree. B and Y is also 120 degree, and R and B is also 120 degree. This is for what? Three phase system. Okay, clear? Now, suppose just imagine I gave you three wires. Three phase, I told you three phase means three wires, and I gave you three wires, and I told you to interconnect these three wires. Okay, so how can you connect? Like one wire is of red color, okay, another wire I gave you for yellow color, and another wire I gave you for the blue color. I gave you three wires and you need to connect it. How can you connect? One method that you can connect it by, like you can connect all the three wires with a single node, right? You can connect all the three wires with a single node. It will look like this only, like this is for R, this is for Y, and this is for B. You connect all the three wires with a single point, so it looks like a star connection now. So that's why it is named as star connection. Okay, another method you can connect where the three wires is like this. One is R is connected with Y, then Y is connected with B, B is connected further with R. Okay, so in this also three wires we have connected with together, so this is shaped like delta, so that's why we called it as a delta connection. Understood? So for three phase is divided into two category. One is the star connection because it looks like a star, and this is of delta shape, so this is known as delta connection. In star we are having neutral wire, but in delta we don't have neutral wire. Okay, if I'll reverse, like change the shape, the star connection could also be like this, right? So another name of star connection is Y. Y means WYE. So whether they'll say star connection or whether they'll say Y connection, meaning of both is the same. So don't get confused. What is star and what is Y? Both are same. So this is actually I told you what is the difference between the three phase and the single phase. And in three phase we are having star connection and delta connection. Okay. Now in three phase, if there is a sequence of, like we'll take the sequence. First I'll take R, then I'll take Y, then I'll take B. Okay, means it goes from R to Y, Y to B, B to R. Then it is known as positive sequence. It is known as positive sequence, and positive sequence is R, Y, B. Okay, if I'll take opposite, opposite in the sense R is first, I go then B, then Y. I just took opposite from the previous one. This is what sequence R, B, Y. But first I'm standing on R, then I go to B, then I go to Y. So this is known as RBY. This is known as negative sequence. Okay, so now you got to know about the positive sequence and the negative sequence.